Now we will completely learn how to use PowerPoint and create beautiful presentations on PowerPoint using all the specific features including transitions, diagrams, flowcharts, etc. We will also use how to customize the existing templates that PowerPoint already offers. So first of all, we will start off with the basics, and that is creating a presentation on a blank template. So let's open it. To open PowerPoint, once you have installed it, you will go to the start menu and write PowerPoint, and there you will click on this screen. Afterwards, you will see this opening screen where you have the choice to create either a blank presentation or use the existing templates that PowerPoint already has customized for you. So if you don't want to create a blank presentation from the scratch and you want some quick presentation to be made, then you can click on the relevant category, for example, business, and it will automatically suggest you beautiful presentations related to business. But since we have to learn all the functionality of it, so we will start off with the blank presentation. I'll just double click on this and this will open up our new presentation. The presentation name is presentation 1 because we haven't saved it yet. If you want to save it first, I'll go to file and save as and save it to my computer and write my first presentation and click OK. Now here we can see a blank presentation and there is an option to click to add the title. Now this title will be the big title, that is kind of introduction page of the slide. So basically this will be the heading, and you can add the subtitle as well. On the left hand side, when we will add more slides to this current presentation in future, it will show up all in the sequence here. If you want to increase the size, there is a division between this. So if you want to increase the preview of the slides, so you can just hold the click and move it towards right. So you will notice that this reduces the size of the main slides and increases the size of preview. When you arrive on the main page of the presentation, you will see different tabs on the PowerPoint. So first one is Home tab. Home tab is basically for the basic customizations like changing the text size, making it bold, italic or underline. You can paste, copy and change the layout of the existing, and you can also insert the shapes. So all the basic functionalities can be done from the Home tab. And these are all the common interface that you will find in all the Office products, including Microsoft Word, Excel and Outlook, etc. Afterwards, we have Insert tab, in which you can insert and create tables, which we will learn in the future videos. You can use smart charts, insert different shapes and customize the word art. You can also add audio and video to your presentations. So we will learn all of these in future videos. Afterwards come the Design tab, where you can design the page style and layout and the color schemes. So that's an interesting part as well. Next is Transition, where you can decide how the next slide will appear and in which style. For example, wipe, split and reveal. And you can also add the sounds and the duration of how the overall slides will be played one after the other. Next is Animations. If you want your different text to appear in different styles, like if you have bullet points and you want to appear it with fade or fly in effect, you can set that from here. So it has many interesting options which we will see. Afterwards is Slideshow and then Review and View. So let's stick with the basics and write our first title here. It says click to add title. So I'll just click and write the company name, which is Accounting Training and Solutions. And you can also add the subtitle. If you notice, our company name comes under 2 lines because the company name is a little bit bigger and the box capacity might be smaller. So what you can do is you can just click here, just click on the text, and you will see the borders around this with small points that you can use to increase the box size. So I'll just hold it from this point. You will notice that when I come on this little point, it shows you the arrow that clearly indicates that you can hold it from the left key and move towards right until it accommodates the text. Similarly, you can use all of these points to increase, decrease, or rotate the boxes. If you want to rotate it, you will come on this top of the screen. You can come on this top and move it towards right. So it will rotate it a little bit. I want to reset. Okay. Now similarly, you can notice that there is a space between these two. So when I click on the subtitle, I can reduce the size first of the subtitle, and then if I want to move this up, you can go on any of the line of the border. When I arrive at any line, it shows the 4 arrows. That means you can hold it from the left key and move it upwards. So that's how we start the basic working on our blank presentation, and we have already saved it. If you haven't saved it yet, you can just go to file and save as, set the name and set the location to save.